Hello, this is just a quick tutorial to show you how to use the messaging system slash event call system that I've set up. To start off, what you want to do is drag in the event manager prefab. It's going to have the event manager script on it. That is all you have to do in the scene. Next up, you have to obviously set up your event. To do that, you just add to this enum in the event script. For just sort of good practice, we should probably put prefixes in front of it just so we know sort of what the event is for. So I'm just going to add an event, UI changed. There we go. Right, save that. Now that's all you have to do in there. Next up, you obviously have to call the event. So what I'm going to do is input.getKeyDown. Spell input, that's a great start. Keycode, do on A. So all you have to do to add an event is obviously trigger it through something, and then you have to call the event manager's instance, then add event, and then add the event you want to add. The reason why I say it's probably a good idea to prefixes is because finding it in this list is going to be tiresome if you don't, so I just do that and it's quick. Right, there we go, that's all you have to do to call an event. So now that that's been pushed over to the event manager, it will call all of the functions associated with that event call. So to set up a receiver, what you have to do is first create a function that is going to receive the call. So let's create a void. I've been using the prefix before the function's EV just so it's easy to find when searching for it in a moment, and also so people can see exactly what it is. So let's call it EV on UI changed. And then in here, I'll just have it go debug.log. Just have it print something to the console. Just say UI changed. There we go. All right. So now, when that event, that function is called by the event, it will print to the console. So the last thing we have to do is, well, the next thing we have to do is subscribe to the event. So what we have to do is event manager .minstance.subscribe. Then we have to state which event we want to subscribe to. It's right down on the list for me, fortunately. And also give it a trigger or event that it's going to function it's going to call when the event is triggered. So that's why I suggested using that prefix. It's easy to find your events, your functions that you want to call. The last thing you have to do is set it up so that it unsubscribes to the event, because the way this works, it works similarly to a pointer in the sense that when the thing that the pointer is pointing at is deleted but it's not told that it's deleted, it will result in a dangling pointer. So you have to unsubscribe, otherwise it will have a fanny when you've deleted a script and you haven't told it that you've deleted it. So on destroy. So whenever you subscribe, you have to unsubscribe basically. So event manager.minstance.unsubscribe. Unsubscribe. Right, what I'm going to do is just copy that from there because it's the exact same thing you'd put into subscribe. There we go. Right, now that I've done that, that's all the coding you have to do to subscribe to an event. I've created just some empty objects with these here. As you can see, neither of them have a reference to each other. But when I go into the scene, it loads. I'll just come to the console and press A. As you can see, that has been triggered. So that's it. That's basically all you have to do. And now we can have the functions just be a bit more disconnected. And that's about all there is to it. It's very simple, it's not that complicated, but you can use it just to better encapsulate your work so that scripts don't have to reach into each other to find out when things have happened. And also it allows you to call multiple functions at the same time without having to call them one at a time from a list. It will literally do it for you. That is the purpose of this. So I could have 4 scripts all print different things on the same function call when you add event to the event manager. And that's about all there is to it. So if you need to contact me for any questions about it, I am Harry Davis. That's my Slack handle. You can get me through that, direct message me via that, and you'll be able to ask me any questions if you have problems. Cheers.